Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for the Metro bank account. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. So without any further ado, let's get the video started. First thing first, open your browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL metrobankonline.co.uk. Once you get into the website, click on the login button at the top of the page. Then click on register for online banking. You'll then be forwarded to this page and scroll down and click on register for internet banking. After that, you'll be headed to this next page and scroll down and click on register for online banking. You'll then have to enter some information in order to create an account. Start by entering your customer number. Or if you have forgotten your customer number, you can click on forgotten your customer number. After you enter your customer number, you'll then have to enter your mobile number. You'll only have to enter the last 4 digits of it. So once you do that, you'll then have to enter your magic word. You can create whatever magic word you like. And if you need a new magic word, click on need a new magic word. So then enter that. Once you fill in all your information in this page, click on continue and you'll be headed to the further processes where you need to enter more information about yourself. And once you fill all that, your account will be created. So there you have it. That's how you sign up for the Metro bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.